Hey guys, you probably have noticed Mr. H isn't here today. I'll be back on Tuesday, but don't worry, we do have someone in capable hands, with capable hands to take care of the class while I'm away. And I've given this short little video so that you know exactly what it is that you need to do for the day. Yes, you are reading that correctly in the lower right-hand corner. You are going to be having another quiz, but for your class, it is on Thursday, not on Tuesday. You have one extra day, which is glorious. And being the quiz you can get the order for rocket studying. It's actual for something called characteristic. I don't use to get themselves. It would be hours, printed, and everything else. Technology altogether for deployed litters. I'm going to be in is still a strata that we share rocks. Post someone to do that. So here, the nose itself looks like. Let's see if I can do it. Oh dear, don't have it. Let's see if we can pull it up quick. Let's do it this way. Rock cycle quiz. No, we need the water. The water. There it is. So this is what the quiz itself looks like. And there are two parts, one dealing with the water cycle and one dealing with the Earth's changing surface down below. So the water cycle, here's the following. It says, a scientist made a model of a water cycle using lab equipment. Using a burner, the water was heated until it became vapor. This vapor changed back into a liquid in a cooling tube, where it fell out the end of the tube in small droplets. These droplets trickled down the ramp until they were caught by the beaker at the bottom. This is her setup. And if you double click on it, you'll see that it is a drawing. You can get a drawing. And from there, basically what I need you to do is to tell me what would each step be considered from A, B, C, D, E, and F. Just tell me the vocab word right here and explain to me how you know that A represents blank or B represents blank. How is it that you made that connection to say that, oh, I think A is, I don't know, transpiration. If you think A is transpiration, you'd write transpiration and then tell me how you know. Second question, again, down below. Throughout geology, we've been learning about different ways the Earth's surface is changing. So you need to describe three ways how that changes quickly and three ways how it changes slowly. See up here, it says describe. Don't just tell me, for instance, earthquake as being a fast change. You have to describe how exactly it would change the Earth's surface. Tell me about it. So I need 3 for those and 3 for that. So that was all of that. That's the quiz itself. I'll try to be on the internet as well, checking my email every once in a while. So if you have questions, I might be able to answer some of them online. But other than that, if you do get done, this is what it is that I'd like you to do. And I will probably post that in Google Classroom as well, just as an image, so that you can double check to see what it is that you need to do. Other than that, good luck. And don't worry, we will be doing a ticket challenge next class when I'm actually there. So good luck with the water cycle. And after that, do any of those things. Try to prepare for that rock strata quiz as well. And I will see you.